So I just finished bag number 2 on the Lego set, and it is now finished. So this is the final look. So we have right here a Poppy, one of the scientists. And we got this guy, which is also that guy. That guy. And here, this right here turns, and it turns to different colors. This here you can turn. So this is the final look of our Lego set that I built today. So that only took a few hours, but I've been taking breaks in between it, like a ton. So it took way longer than it's supposed to. Normally it takes me 5 minutes to build each one, but I was taking so many breaks. So that is it for the Lego set. If you want me to do another Lego set thing, then like this video, and if I get 5 likes, then I'll do another Lego set. But for now,